won't you meet me by the beat? Well, if maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
How can you know, Jaden?
Any city.
How can you know?
No one need kisses, no. Hey, baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Well, if maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamia here, and I am back with a brand new video for you guys today. In this video, I'm going to be doing a deep clean with me. Today is Wednesday, December 16th. I usually always clean my room on Wednesdays. I try to make it an effort to clean my room every week. I cannot live in dirtiness and nastiness. So anyway guys, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel, which is linked in the down below. Make sure to follow me on all my social media, which is linked in the down below as well. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So this is the current state of my room, and please ignore all of my YouTube filming equipment. There is stuff literally everywhere. This is the bed. You got the desk area. My food area looks a hot mess. Over here you got shoes, clothes. Over here there's a closet. There's stuff all over the floor. This is the inside of the restroom. Literally look at the countertop, y'all. It's like stuff everywhere. So y'all, the first thing I like to do when cleaning up my room is picking up everything off the floor first. I feel like if you get everything off the floor, it makes it a lot easier to move around. After I pick up everything off the floor here in my room, I'm gonna move into my restroom and pick up like all my rugs and stuff and move my cart out of there. So y'all, now I have taken everything out of the restroom, taking all the stuff off the floor, the trash can is out of here. Now I'm just about to clear this sink because it's like stuff everywhere and none of this stuff belongs up here. Some of the products that I like to use. So I got Canon. I also have this in spray version, and I'm so upset because I can't find this anymore. Oh my god. Let's try this again. As I was saying, I got Canon, and I have this in powder form and in spray version. I got this clean stuff for the toilet by Clorox brand. I got some Fabuloso for my mop water. I have Awesome Spray. This is from Dollar Tree. This stuff is so freaking good. I have one of these little blade thingies, and then I have some antibacterial wipes from Aldi, glass cleaner. This is just the Walmart brand. This is the Walmart brand all-purpose cleaner with bleach. This stuff is really good. And then I have some carpet freshener right here. And I got this. This is the same brand as this Awesome Spray right here. LA's Totally Awesome brand, but this is the fabric freshener. Up here I also got a bottle of disinfectant spray, which I'm gonna take out, and then I got some just like air spray. So y'all, before I start cleaning the restroom, the first thing I'm gonna do is make my mop water, because I like to make my mop water first. So here's the bucket, and first things first, I'm gonna wash it out. So the first thing I like to put in my mop water is Fabuloso. And then I got some LA's Totally Awesome. Last thing I'm putting in there is just some regular old bleach. And I'm just gonna fill it up with some hot water. So y'all, the restroom is marinating and now it's time to go into my room. So I actually lied. Before I start cleaning my room, I'm going to go and start my laundry first because I got like a whole basket of laundry right here. So y'all, I got my clothes all sorted out. I got bright colors at the top, dark colors at the bottom. So y'all, now that I have made up the bed, I'm gonna go ahead and go back into the restroom and scrub the toilet, sink, and the tub. So y'all, I am done with the restroom. It is completely clean. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and clean up the rest of my room. So y'all, I am almost done cleaning. I went ahead and finished the restroom. I put the rugs and stuff on the ground and put this back in there. The floor is completely dry. And then I went ahead and lit a candle in the restroom because I just wanted to smell a little bit like vanilla. So yep, anyway guys, I'm about to go ahead and mop the floor. The mop is right here. I don't know why I'm spinning the whole circle. So y'all, I'm finally done cleaning my room. Still gotta put a couple of things away and like put the fan and stuff up, but the floor is still kind of drying. Anyways guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, and make sure y'all subscribe, which is linked in the down bar below as well. Anyway, I will see y'all in my next 12 days of Vlogmas video. Bye bye.
Count 1, 2, 3, and don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me?